Recently, we went on a short trip to Stratford, and even though it wasn't a long getaway, it felt so refreshing. The town itself has a calm and charming atmosphere. We decided to go boating. Honestly, that was the day's highlight. The water was so peaceful, and just being surrounded by nature made everything feel light and stress-free. While boating, we could really take in the scenery, enjoy the fresh air, and just slow down for a while. Sometimes, it's surprising how even a short trip like this can recharge you. It doesn't always have to be a big vacation to feel memorable. Stratford gave us that perfect balance of relaxation and a little adventure. Thank you for watching.